Hello friends, welcome to Electronics Classroom. In this video, we are going to discuss about parallel combination of resistances. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, I will draw the connection of three resistors in parallel across a DC voltage source V. Let's say the source current is I. At this point, current will be divided into different branches. This happens only in parallel combination of elements. Here we have three branches. As you can see, branch current through R1, R2 and R3 are IR1, IR2 and IR3 respectively. Can you tell me what is the voltage drop in each branch? The voltage drop through each resistance is equal, that is V. Okay, we can write V is equal to IR1 into R1 equal to IR2 into R2 equal to IR3 into R3. Here see IR1, IR2, IR3, all these are notation of current through different resistances. Okay, suppose IR1, this is the notation of the current which is flowing through the resistance R1. R1 here is the subscript. Okay, so don't get confused. Total current I is the summation of all these. I is now we can write it as V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. Why it's not V1, V2, V3? V value is same across each resistance in parallel combination. Okay. On left hand side, R represents the equivalent of three resistances in parallel. Okay, of R here, 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So R is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. You can solve it, right? Okay. In this drawing, we have three branches, right? For a two branch circuit, what will be the 1 by R value? It will be 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So here R is R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. For a two branch circuit, current will be divided into two branches, that is I is equal to I1 plus I2. Okay, now I value is V by R1 plus V by R2. V is common, so V whole into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. If you will solve it, I value will be I equal to V into R2 plus R1 by R1 into R2. Now what is V value? Tell me. What is V value? It is I1 into R1, right? Let's consider this voltage. Let's consider it as I1 into R1 whole into R2 plus R1 by R1 into R2. If we'll solve it, it will be I1 value will be equal to I into R2 by R1 plus R2, where I1 is the current through first this R1 resistor. Okay. Similarly, what will be the current through R2 resistor? It will be I2 is equal to I into R1 by R1 plus R2. Okay. Okay. So these two equations are popularly called as shunt formula. Now we can determine the power loss in circuit, right? Now let's consider the circuit with three branches. P is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. Okay. In each resistor, the current flowing is different, although the voltage is same. Since the current is different, so the power value will also be different across each resistor. Okay. Now the power value will be the sum of I1 square into R1 plus I2 square into R3 plus I3 square into R3, or it can be equal to V square by R1 plus V square by R2 plus V square by R3. V square whole into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 watts. Okay. So this is all about parallel combination of resistances. In our next video, we will solve some problems. Okay. Thank you.